Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a dinosaur-themed cake with a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Let's get started.
I started out frosting an 8-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. And I cleaned up the cake board. Then I rolled out some green fondant and followed the lines of this print out of a T-Rex. I pressed hard enough to imprint the lines into the green fondant. Then I cut along the lines and softened the edges. I also pressed some of the lines a bit deeper into the part that I didn't cut. Then I rolled out some pink fondant and cut out a piece that goes into the mouth. At this point, I transferred the dinosaur to the top of the cake. Then I rolled some very small pieces of white fondant and laid them over the teeth and claws of the dinosaur. Then I rolled some very small balls of green and added them to the top of the head of the T-Rex. Next, I'm using a leaf cutter to cut out a whole bunch of leaves. I used a knife to cut slits into the sides of the leaves to make them look more like palm leaves. Then I added more green food coloring to the green fondant and cut out some more leaves out of the darker color. Finally, I mixed some green food coloring with clear alcohol and painted in the shading and lines of the dinosaur. I love this cake. It's cute and sweet and would work for any little boy's birthday cake. It would look great with a name and age on it. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.